Ah, there's nothing like the feeling of the ocean between your toes. Ooh, it's nippy. Hey, what's the matter with that jellyfish?
That's not a jellyfish.
Ugh, a plastic bag. People use these things and then just throw them away. But they don't just disappear. They stay around for a long time and end up in the sea.
Or on the sand.
Clattering cuttlefish. Look at all that litter.
We need to do a beach clean.
Great idea. And I have just the thing to help. This rubbish won't stand a chance against our litter pickers. Ready to clean up this beach, shipmate?
Ready.
Let's get to work. It takes a bit of getting used to. What are you laughing at? Gotcha. Good work, Sullivan.